Chapter 49 Stories of Hari Kanaba and Somadev Swami and Nana Shabik Chandokar. Preliminary. The Vedas and Puranas cannot sufficiently praise Brahma or Sadguru, then how can we? We are ignorant, describe our Sadguru Sri Sai Baba. We think that it's better for us to keep quiet in this matter. In reality, the observance of awe, of silence, is the best way of praising Sadguru. But the good qualities of Sai Baba forgot us silence inspired us to open our mouth. Good dishes tastes flat if there is no company of friends and relations to experts of dishes with us. But when they join us, the dish additional flavor. The same is caused with Sri Sai Lilmarit, the nectar in form of Sai Leelas. The nectar we cannot alone, friends and brothers have to join us. The more the better. It is Sai Baba himself that himself the stories to get from return as he desires. Our duty is to surrender completely to him and meditate on him. Practicing penance is better than pilgrimage or sacrifice charity. Worshipping Lord Hari is better than penance, and meditation on Sadguru is best of all. We have therefore to chant Sai's name by mouth, think over of his saying in our mind, meditate on his form, feel real love on him on our heart, and do all our actions for his sake. There is no better means as for snapping boundaries of some sort. If we cannot do due to our part stated above, Sai bound to help and retribution. Now we read two stories of this chapter. Hari Kanabo. The story of Hani Kanabo. The gentleman of Bombay named Hari Kanaba cared from his front relations leaders of Baba. He did not believe in them as were doubting Thomas. He wanted to test Baba himself, so he came to study with some Bombay friends. He wore laced bordered turban on his head and new pair of sandals on his feet. Seeing Baba from distance, he thought he was going him and prostrating himself before him. He did not know what to do with new candle. Still going to some corner on the open courtyard, he placed them there, went to masjid and took Baba darshan. He made eventually bow to Baba, took Udi and Prasad from Baba and returned. When he reached the corner, he found Scandal has disappeared. He searched for them in vain and returned to Los Nigurim dejected. He Bhatar offered worship, Naivedya and Saturday for meals, but all were thinking about nothing sandals. After finishing his meal, he came out to wash his hand as he saw Mantra body coming towards him. He had in his hand stick on top of which suspended a pair of new candles. He said to men who had come to wash their hands. Then Baba sent him with a stick in the hand. Please go to street carrying Kaka Beta. Jari told him. Anybody climb these candles first assure self his name is Hari and that he is son of Kanaba and he was less turban than during hearing this, Hari Kanaba pleasantly surprised. He went ahead to the boy, claimed scandals as his own. He said to the boy named Hari and was son of Kanaba and showed him the lace for a turban. The boy was satisfied and returned to the sandals to him. Hari Kanaba wondered in his mind, saying the lace for a turban was visible to Baba also. But how he could name Hari and the son of Kanaba this way first to study. He came to there was a sole object incident. Baba was Satpurush. He got he wanted well pleased. Somadeva Swami. Now hear the story of another man who came to try Baba Bahaji Kanaship Dikshit was staying in Nagpur. When he had gone to Himalayas in 1980, he met an acquaintance from Somadev Swami of Harudekar Uttarakashi, Don Gangotrali. Both took each other names in pair of diaries. 5 years after Somadev Swami came to Nagpur was Babaji's guest. There he was pleased to hear Leelas of Baba and strong desire arose in his mind to go to Shirdi and see him. He got a letter of introduction of Babaji and left Shirdi. After passing Manakalam, he took a tango and grew to Shirdi. As he came near Shirdi, he saw two high flags floating over masjid and Shirdi. Generally, we find difficulties of behavior, different modes of living, and different outwards parahelinia with different sense. These were outwards and never could stand it to judge the author of first sense. But with Somadev Swami it was different. As soon he saw the flags flying through, the saint like flag does not denote the sainthood. It implies saints hankering their fame, thinking that he could cancel his study trip, say to his forever travel, he go back. They said to him, why did you come so long? If your mind gets restless, thinking of flags, how much you agitated, what is you to do? The horse or the Swami got more confounded and said a few such Sadgurus with horses men in town has been better to me and returned to such Sadgurus. Saying this, he stated to return. The fellow travelers pressed him to not to do so, but proceed. They asked him to stop crook the way of thinking, told him to Sat Baba did not care a bit of Parna. It was the people he devoted that keeps all Parana love of devotion to him. Finally, he was poorly continuing his journey to Sadguru See Baba. When he saw Baba from courtyard, he was melted inside. His eyes were full of tears. His throat was choked. Even could vanish. Thus, remember Guru saying there is a body, please trust in man. He wished to roll himself dust of Baba feet when he approached Baba. Later, God were cried loud. Be with us. You go back to home. Beware if you come back to masjid. Why take the darshan on who flags twice over masjid? This sign of sainthood reminds that the moment the Swamiji had taken a big surrender prize, he realized the Baba has read his heart, spoke it out. How omniscient he was. He was knew that he was lost intelligent Baba noble. He saw Baba embrace something, someone with a son comforting, staring kindly at home, laughing others, giving Udi Prasad to some, thus pleasing, satisfying all. Why should all be dealt with so harshly? Thinking since came out to release Baba, conductor responded exactly to his thought. Take a lesson from this in this and grow. The Baba Bath was blessing this. In this needless to say, later misspelled Baba was confirmed. He became staunch devotee of Baba. Nana Sahib Chandekar. Here we conclude this chapter story of Nana Sahib Chandekar. When Nana Sahib was sitting in the masjid with the Maharaj and other gentlemen from Masjid came with his family to see Baba. Seeing those ladies within, Nana Sahib wanted to go away, but Baba prevented him from doing. The ladies came to take us away. One of the ladies removed her veil, feet and thin. Her faces was so intimidating. Then he wished to see face again, knowing Nana Sahib wished to see Baba spoke to him maybe. I left the place as for a why are getting agitated in vain. Let's the sense allotted us. We should not meddle the God has created this beautiful world, this duty. Appreciate beauty. The mind will go steady and calm and gradually open to where to go back one. When an heart is free, there is no difficulty whatsoever. Why should be afraid? So evil thought it with us. The eyes may do the work, but why should feel shy and thoughten? Sama was there and he could not follow the meaning of Baba Vachas, so he asked Nana about the way. Nana to understand sight of beautiful way, how Baba knew advanced. Nana explained that Baba means vehicled by nature should not be allowed to get wild. The sons may go restless. Body, however, they should held in the check on patient. Sense runs after objects we should not allow curve on. By slowly, gradually practice lessons can be conquered. We should not spread senses, but they cannot completely control. We should curb them rightly and proper according to the need of occasion. Beauty is subject to style. We should have fearlessly look the beauty of object. There is no room of shyness or fear. Only we should have never entertained evil thoughts, making the mind desirous, observe the poor object in the beauty. In this way, the sense will be easily naturally controlled, even be reminded of God. If the outer sense will not check the mind allowed to run after the object attached to them, our cycle births do not become to an end. Object of sense are things harmful with